Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about anemia. So what is mean by anemia? Anemia is the common thing we are facing now to our daily life. So what is anemia? Anemia, it is actually a mineral deficiency disease. This is actually a mineral deficiency disease. Anemia is a mineral deficiency disease. If you have deficiency of iron in the blood, then this mineral deficiency disease comes, that is anemia. And this is actually most common now these days we are facing. It is mostly affected to women. Women are more likely to be affected than men. Because women require more amount of blood is needed in the body, so that the blood is required for the menstruation and all this, because they have the blood loss in the menstruation, and all these factor will be affecting the woman. So women require more amount of blood, require more amount of blood during pregnancy also and during menstruation also. So their requirement will be more and their blood loss also will be more because of some factors. This is the reason women are more likely affected than men, because of the deficiency of the iron. Now the main factor that is affected, that is hemoglobin. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is actually a protein. This is actually a protein which is required in the blood. Because of this hemoglobin, what happened? The blood is in red in color, and it is actually like a nutrient. It is actually a essential thing that is needed compulsory in the blood. This hemoglobin carries oxygen, especially oxygen, O2. This hemoglobin carries oxygen in the blood to various from lungs, means it carries oxygen from lungs to various parts of the body. So what is the main function of hemoglobin is what? Function of hemoglobin is it carries, this is actually a protein, and which is because of the hemoglobin which gives red color to the blood. This hemoglobin protein which will transport oxygen in the blood which will be transferred from lungs to the various parts of the body, which is very important for the human body. When there is a deficiency of the hemoglobin, then you are seeing that there is an anemia. Anemia is the most common thing that will be affected to the women than men. And what are the symptoms of the anemia? Anemia symptoms are, they look pale. Actually, they will look pale in color. Means like they, if who don't have blood, like hemoglobin is less, low level, they will look mostly very pale color, like with like little kind of whiteness, pale, like colorless. And one more thing is that loss of appetite. One is looks pale in color, then another one is appetite loss. Appetite loss means what? They will not become hungry. They won't be getting hungry a longer time. Their hunger levels are very low, and which will cause them to not to eat more. Because of that, their iron content will further go down. Another symptom is what? They will become more tired. Tired easily. Because of lack of blood, iron in the body, iron content is the most requirement for the blood. Because of iron we will be very active, and if iron is maintained in the body, in the blood, there will be lot of oxygen transport will happen correctly from lungs to the various of parts of the body. Then we will get energized and we will be active. So when there is a hemoglobin levels are low in the body, that is a protein, that if it is less in the blood, then easily we will get tired easily, and we will not get hungry, and we will look very pale in color. So this is the basic thing you need to know about anemia. Anemia means which is a mineral deficiency disease. Mineral means iron. If there is a deficiency of iron, then this anemia happens. So women are more likely affected than men. And then hemoglobin level. Hemoglobin is a protein. It is actually a protein present in the blood which gives red in color. Because of the hemoglobin, which will help the oxygen to transport from lungs to various all parts of the body. Okay, this is the main basic function of the hemoglobin. When there is a deficiency of this hemoglobin, anemia happens. What are the symptoms of the anemia? Anemia symptoms are they look pale in color. Appetite loss means they will not get hungry easily, and they will be getting tired soon. Fatigue levels means tiredness will be more, and they will not have energy to do their work actively. This is the basic importance of anemia.